Vesela sem, da se je Gospodarska zbornica odločila posvečati svoj čas in svoje izobraževanje tudi tako imenovanim mehkim veščinam. Kot mi pravimo, ničesar mehkega ni na mehkih veščinah, da se moramo naučiti komunicirati eden z drugim in ustvariti pogoje, v katerih bo lahko se razcvetela najprej tolerantnost, potem pa ustvarjalnost, da bo vsem nam lažje. Jaz sem gospoda prvič spoznala leta 2011, ko je bil predavatelj na Evropski konferenci o ustvarjalnosti in inovativnosti in me je popolnoma prevzel z malce drugačnim, bolj svežim pristopom in takrat dalje v bistvu zasledujem, kaj in kako dela. Sicer je človek iz gospodarstva, bil je direktor zavarovalnice, delal je v Svetovni banki, bil je vodja marketinga v multinacionalki, ki je sedaj po tolikih letih izkušenj prešel v svetovalno in predavateljsko vlogo.
The good news is that it is possible to become more creative and it is possible to become more happy by deliberate actions. We didn't know this before, but research in the past 20 or 30 years has taught us that it is possible. For example, creativity. Everybody has creative skills. Everybody. Every human being. We don't have them at the same level. Some are more creative than others, and creativity is not one skill, it's a set of 2 or 3 different things. But what we do know is that it is possible for everybody to get better. Even the ones who are very good can get even better by learning creative method and by using creative techniques in which it is possible to get better and better as you use them more and more. Finally, context is important for creativity. It is possible for the same person in one context, in one team or in one organization or in one community to be more creative than in another team, organization or community. And this is because the organization, the context, creates the conditions, or has the culture, if you like, and the systems for creativity to flourish.